This is the WS8. It's a Apple Watch Series 8 Ultra lookalike with a whole lot of fun capabilities in here. You got tremendous number of controls, which we cover in the full review on this one. You also have a pull-out panel that gives you access to SOS for making a quick call. Yes, it's Bluetooth calling with a speaker and microphone in here. You have access to your most recent apps and your information on your step count and time. Come over here, you can set up any panels you want. You can be doing heart rate, for example, on here. You can also have blood pressure going on if you want to. Anytime you land on one of these, it immediately starts doing the analysis, and it does blood oxygen with red diodes on here as well. Sure enough, it's got a thermometer built into it. You can get your body temperature in degrees centigrade or Fahrenheit that you set in the app. Want your last night's sleep time? It's here, and you can change out any of these panels and put in different things like your daily step count. Come back to your overall watch face. You can change that as simple as just twirling the dial. Here's a custom one I downloaded to integrate nicely with the orange band itself. Now, if I press the button, I can get the layout of all of the different apps, which includes messages sent from your phone, your calling activity, and of course you can set up and make calls directly from the watch through your phone, your exercise activity, and we've got several different exercises: running, walking, swimming, of course. It even has the ability to pop up the water out of the speaker if you need to do that after your swim. So full functional watch. Yoga, skipping, climbing, lifting, it just goes on and on. Tug of war, that's interesting. I wonder if the other folks have to have a watch too. Last night's sleep time, it's on a fast timeout right now. You got music player, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, temperature. Ladies, you got your female cycle, and it'll tell you where you are in that cycle. Set all that up in the app and tether it over here. Weather in your area is available. It's a really, really sophisticated watch. Lots of stuff. You've got calculators, countdown timers, count up timers. It's integrated with a nice Apple style watch, and any Apple watch would fit in it. Beautiful overall design. The knob here on the side, the pill button that you can use to switch back over, and of course a button here that's programmable for whatever you want, and you can have it as default, which is all of the different exercise activity. It's available right now, very, very inexpensive, and a very close look-alike to the Apple Series 8 Ultra. It is called the WS8 Ultra. Check it out.